All right, let's dive into one of the biggest mysteries hiding in plain sight. We're talking about water, and trust me, it's way, way weirder than you think.
Okay, here's a question for you. You see it every single time you put a cube in your drink. Why does ice float? Simple question, right?
Well, it might seem normal to us, but in the world of physics, it's a total outlier. See, almost every other liquid on the planet gets denser when it freezes. Its solid form should sink. But water breaks the rules.
So, to crack this case, scientists had to figure out how to look at water right at the moment it's about to freeze, what's called a supercooled state. But there's a huge problem. How on earth do you study something that crystallizes into ice in the blink of an eye?
The solution is just brilliant. You take these tiny little droplets of water and you blast them with these incredibly fast, super powerful X-ray laser pulses. It's like having the world's fastest camera, taking a snapshot of the liquid water in that tiny fraction of a second right before it actually turns to ice.
And what did they find in those snapshots? Well, it's something that is literally rewriting the textbooks. This is a huge deal.
It turns out water isn't just one liquid. No. At these super low temperatures, it's actually acting like two different liquids at the exact same time. You've got this less ordered, low-density liquid, and then a more structured, high-density version, and they're just constantly shifting back and forth.
And that right there, that dual liquid personality, is the big breakthrough. Scientists now think this constant dance between two liquid states is the secret behind all of water's weird behaviors, including, you guessed it, why ice floats.
So, who is the brilliant mind behind this incredible research? Let's talk about the scientist and where this whole story comes from.
The researcher's name is Dr. Marjorie Ladd-Parada, and her advice is just fantastic. Her own journey is amazing. She came from food science and jumped into fundamental physics. People actually told her she didn't have the right background for this kind of work, but you know what? She went for it anyway.
Now, this whole explainer we've just gone through, it's all based on an incredible interview with Dr. Parada on a podcast called Under the Microscope, which comes from The Science Talk. If you want to hear the full story about this groundbreaking material science, you should definitely go check out that full conversation.